Hey you guys, I have another video here and this is Halloween, one of my favorite holidays. These adorable treat bags, I picked them up at the Dollar Tree. Look at how cute they are. They have these little pumpkins in purple, and I also picked up a bag of mixed candy, and this is just from 145 pieces, so it has a ton of candy. This year I wanted to step my game up with these treats for my son's school. And also for my other son's daycare, he'll be getting these. These are so cute. I thought they were perfect, the skeleton and the pumpkin. And they're like see-through. So they're pretty cute bags. These are off on the Dollar Tree. The candy was from Sam's Club. I also picked up the rings. You get 50 pieces of the rings, and I thought these were so cute to put in there. I also picked up the insects, and those you get 36 pieces, which was perfect because I don't have that many kids in their classroom, since one of them, they both go to private schools. There's not a lot of kids allowed in each classroom, which is perfect for me. There's only about 20 in each, so that was excellent. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a couple pieces of candy. I'm thinking either 6 of them or 5 or one of each. I had enough for one of each, to tell you the truth, so I thought that was perfect. And then I'm just going to add these little insects. They're so cute. And if I'm correct, they light up at night, but I'm not sure. They're neon. But look at the pieces in there. They have little skeletons. That one's adorable. Look at the little head. They have insects. They have them in different colors. And I'm also going to add rings in there. So I'm going to add a little insect or a skeleton head and a couple of the rings. Since I have a ton of them, I'm going to mix them up and just add a couple pieces in there. They have bugs. They have spiders. They have centerpieces. Yeah, and skeletons. So I'm going to add one of each for now. And if I have extras, I'll just add them to the rest of the bags. And 5 pieces of candy. I think that is perfect for a little goodie bag to give a child. And if you have more candy, keep adding it, because either way, you should add a ton of stuff in there. They're going to eat it anyways. And then what I'm using is this red ribbon that I use for gifts. And it's going to be perfect to close it up. You can use black ribbon if you have it. You can use white. I decided to go with the red since I have a ton of it. And all I'm going to do is give it one tight squeeze, make it bow, because I definitely want a bow on these. And look at how adorable that is. Now, go ahead and grab your scissors. And what we're going to do is we're going to curl the edges on there. I actually want to curl them. I think it'll be cuter as just like a little gift, like you would give a gift to someone. If you grab your scissors, don't cut yourself. Put your thumb next to it and just curl it all the way to the top, and you'll see right now. Look at how cute that is. That is a great idea. I'm loving the curl on there. Just press with your thumb. It comes back up and it comes out really cute. Now, I'm going to go ahead and make a ton of those because that's what I'm going to give them. So that's why I picked up the huge bag of 145 pieces, because I knew I was going to give a ton of candy. And what kid does not love a ton of candy? All I'm going to do is curl. I end up using some of the white ribbon as well. So all I'm doing is curling the edges, making sure that everything is nice. And look at how many I have. Oh my God, you would think that it's not a lot, but it is. And then all I will do is separate them, the kindergartens from the first grade, because I have a kid that's going into kindergarten and then one that's going into first grade, which is a 4-year-old and a 7-year-old. Well, he's going into second now. But yeah, how was everyone's Halloween? What did you end up picking up for your goodie bags? Comment down below. What do you end up putting in your goodie bags, just so I get more ideas? And if you pick them up from the Dollar Tree, I picked these up from the Dollar Tree, as well as the spiders and the insects. All of them were from the Dollar Tree except the candy, which I told you I picked it up at Sam's because it was easier to get a huge bag. And let me tell you, when I was done with this, I had nothing left over. Now, for the kindergarten one, I told you I'm going to go ahead and use a different bag. And I fell in love with these bags when I saw them at the dollar store. They're so cute. They have a skeleton and a pumpkin right next to it. And they are see-through. I'm pretty sure they are. So I'm going to go ahead and open those and start those for him. And I'm going to do the same exact steps. I'm going to add 5 pieces of candy or 6. Mix it up. Look at how cute they are. They're see-through. They're so cute. Look at the skeleton on there. I think these are way cuter than the other ones. Let me tell you. So I'll be adding 5 to 6 pieces of candy to each bag. I'm going to add a couple of the rings, a couple of the insects, and then let's see how it comes out. Now the rings and the insects, I'm just adding the mix. So it doesn't matter who gets who, because I'm sure once they open the bag, they're going to be like, what did you get? What did I get? So I'm just adding a couple pieces, and I'm also adding 2 of the rings. I'm going to go ahead and close this up with the white. I decided to use the white on these bags. I thought it would be much nicer since they are see-through and the skeleton is white. Grab it, tie it up, do the same exact steps. Make sure you tie it nice and tight. Anyways, the parents can always help them open the bag because you don't eat it at school. You take it home. Grab the top of it, grab your scissors, curl the edges, and you should have a nice, cute goodie bag to give to a child. Now, I have to make 20 more of them. So I love this bag. I think it's so cute. I'm so happy I picked up a couple of them because I thought they would be really cute. I didn't know they were see-through, and I'm happy they are. So there you go. I have a 40 gift bags right there standing in front of me, ready to be given to a child. So yeah, let me know down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Comment down below. I'll go ahead and link my Instagram in case you want to tag me on Instagram just to show me how you made your goodie bags, how they came out, what you put in them. I love watching those videos. But look at how many I ended up with. And I thought for sure that I wasn't even going to have a ton of them because I had a couple kids. But there you go. 40 goodie bags on my table. And I know each kid that receives one is going to be so happy that I made them. But yeah, look at all these Hershey bars. Now, aren't those cute? So I made this one for a kid that, can't have peanut butter. So I made that separate. The teacher told me that we had one kid that couldn't have peanut butter. So I looked up the Hershey bars and made sure it had no peanut butter in there and nothing. I'm going to go ahead and mark that one special. So they make sure they give it to the kid. I'm going to be using the white and red ribbon. And I'll just tell the teacher that that one's for the kid. They can't have peanut butter. Tie it nice and tight and make sure he receives one as well. And I'm going to go ahead and curl the ribbon as well. So make sure you curl the ribbon on every bag. I think it actually makes them look really nice. And it gives them more of a gift look. And then just put it to the side. Now, I also have these little clear bags that you just pick up from the dollar store. They come in, I think, 22 pieces of them. And they're just clear little bags that you could use. If you don't get your hands on the Halloween bags, you can always use these little clear bags. They are perfect. You could use these for birthdays, Easter gifts, any kind of gift, Valentine's. And they're actually pretty cute because they're just clear. So all you have to do is add the stuff in there and then just close it up like you do any regular bag. And I love the fact that these come in a ton of them. So you could pick these up all year long at the Dollar Tree. If you get your hands on them, go ahead and pick up a couple of sets. I always go and I pick these up in like 3 of them. I buy 3 of them at a time because I always have them around when I want to give an extra gift. When it could be somebody's birthday, they would love to get a bunch of candies, especially if they're little kids. You can always add candy in here. You can add money. These are perfect little bags, and they always have them at the Dollar Tree. So make sure you get your hands on them in case you get an emergency and you have to make some goodie bags. You have them already in hand. Now with these, I'm going to go ahead and use the white ribbon. I'm going to do the same exact steps, tie it tight, and I'm going to curl it. And look at how cute they are. So I wanted to give you a different idea. Just in case you don't get your hands on the Halloween bags, you can always use these if you have them lying around. And they're perfect. They're perfect for Halloween. Look at how the skeleton comes out. I love the color on the skeleton. It is adorable. It's a great way to just add a little gift to someone. And they're ready. And anything you add in there, trust me, it's gonna look gorgeous. Curl the edges. Curl the other edges. And you're set. I hope you guys like it making these bags with me. I hope you got a couple of ideas for Halloween. I hope you guys make your own and you tag me on them. But look at how cute that is. They're adorable. So either way, whichever bag you pick, I'm sure any kid that gets it is going to be happy that they got one. There's 3 different ideas here. Make your own. And let me know what you came up with. I would love to see it. And yeah, look at how cute they are. I'm just giving you a close-up of the candies. And then look at how my table is full. And I have a huge table. And until next time, bye you guys.